welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Evie. I make fashion and vlogs mostly. Okay, so I'm doing a weekly vlog again, although it is Thursday, but I did film some clips on Tuesday. Oh, I said that so weird, of me cleaning the house. So since I never usually vlog when I'm cleaning the house, I thought I would. I actually forgot to do most of the rooms when I was filming, so I only filmed doing, I think, the kitchen. But enjoy those clips. If you don't like cleaning, then skip to the time on the screen.
Thought you'd call, but you didn't, so I'm sitting here. Thought I heard my phone ring, but it disappeared. Guess I'm just losing my mind again. I tell myself to breathe in, but the darkness hung exceeding, and its mind has got me thinking. Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming, 'cause I always wake up sick and tired of believing that this pain will never end. Oh, I've had enough.
Anyway, sorry, I can't get comfortable because there's not much space in this little gap, but I'm trying to get to the height of the camera because it's not on a tripod. Today is Thursday. As I said, I've been to work this morning. It's been cold this week. It was -4 when I left this morning. We've also had the most pathetic snow, although it covered the grass and it stayed on the grass because it's been so cold. I'll show you in a minute. But literally everything else is like gone. I will show you something. I got an order from Vegan Town today, and actually, rather than showing you now because half of it I don't have anymore, I will insert these clips I took for Instagram stories. 2 of them are gone because my mum has taken them for Easter. So, here we go. Let's watch these Instagram story clips. Sorry that it's so clippy.
Everyone, this is kind of random, but for any of you who are like vegan, dairy-free, whatever, I just placed a really exciting order which has arrived today. So it's from Vegan Town, and basically I was just looking for some really good like dairy-free chocolate. Moo-free is my favourite for like white chocolate, that kind of thing. And they had a free deal for Easter eggs. So I got the Chocky Explosion, which is full of like loads of different types of the chocolate and marshmallows. There's the Bunny Comb, which is like a honeycomb one, and then just like a classic chocolate, well, dairy-free Easter egg. And then I also got by, I think this is the brand Mummy, I don't know, something. And these are basically like cream eggs. I haven't tried them yet, but I thought they'd be really interesting to try as they are dairy free. Then the last things that I have, I picked up some of the Move Free, just like small chocolate bars. So I got another of the Bunny Comb and then 2 of the orange ones. So I'll be interested to see how these taste in comparison to like the Galaxy ones, which is amazing. And then I also got these chocolate covered crunchy bites. So yeah, I've got some really exciting dairy free chocolate to give it a try. I ran out of all of mine that I had. These are things that I just snack on in the evenings. I'm not really much of a chocolate person or a snacker, so this is going to last me a really long time, especially the Easter eggs. I probably won't eat them for a while, and I mean, I'm not sure how I feel about just the plain chocolate, but it'll be really good in cookies if I don't like it. So yeah, really excited.
Anyway, as you can see, Sammy's here. And you're beautiful. Also, ignore my skin. I just did a face mask, and that always like irritates my skin, and it was also just gross anyway. Today I really need to clean up my bedroom. I think I say that every vlog. Yeah, I'm planning on filming a video tonight, hopefully, but if that doesn't happen, then I do have a vlog that can go up tomorrow, so I'm not too stressed about getting it done. I have a video that I want to film, but I can't do it until my new mirror arrives. but I'm saving that for another vlog. I'm really enjoying our weekly vlogs, even though they're not weekly. I just enjoy having something to talk to. But I'll show you the snow. So this has been like this for the last few days. Okay, from upstairs it looks kind of pathetic actually, but you can see it's like a decent amount. Next to my car, it's literally just a huge mound of snow that, as I scrape my car every morning, I'm just standing in a mound of snow that doesn't want to disappear because it's so cold. It's been about -7 in the evenings, but as you can see, like the snow has gone from everywhere else. I've got my Yankee candle on, my raspberry sorbet one, and it smells incredible. I've also been doing a little bit of planning. I've got a Zoom call later, so I just need to get organised for that as well, but I do need to tidy my bedroom before because it is a mess. So I might do, I've already done a time lapse. I don't want to do things too close together. Oh my god, this is stress. Good evening. So I never vlogged again. I did change my top for my Zoom call to look a bit more professional. And I never filmed the rest of my room, but it's basically tidy. I put all my clothes away, but I didn't put like that last bit of stuff away. It's a new week on the tablets. Sounds rather strange, but it's cup of tea time. I don't have work tomorrow. I thought that I might. I don't, but I still didn't end up filming the video that I was going to in the end because my Zoom call kind of took over the evening. But on a really exciting note, I just ordered these, well, with my mum's money, for the dogs. I found them and then showed my mum and she was like, oh, we have to get them for the dogs for when like they've been on long walks, they get really cold, especially if they're like coming home in the cage and they're wet. And then also after like they've had a bath and they're like slightly wet still, because our dogs get cold really easily and they shake and they always like curl up under a blanket or in my mum's dressing gown, so we thought we'd get them their own little thingy. We went for the navy blue because we thought pink would just get so dirty. But yeah, I'm all kind of ready for bed. I've been ready for bed for hours actually, and I'm just gonna watch a little bit of YouTube and yeah. But I'm so excited I don't have work tomorrow. I don't know if I said, but the girls have a teacher training day, so I wasn't sure if I would be needed or not, and I'm not, so yeah. Bye, see you later, see you later. God, I look so rough. I'm so tired. I literally didn't even have to get up this morning, but I woke up at 6:40. I'm extremely tired. It's currently 9 o'clock. I've just finished up the edit of my video. I actually started it like earlier in the week, so I didn't have too much to do. I just had a few like extra little bits and bobs to add into it, but yeah, that's saving now. I can't remember what I said my plan was for today, but I do want to get video filmed. I kind of I forgot what I was gonna say. No, it has. I filled up with petrol and I was like, my bank account looks better than I was expecting it to be, but it has taken it out. Oh, I had a refund. That's why it looks better. So I have some stuff coming over the next few days. In fact, let's see if it's arriving yet. With a brand that I'm working with, but so I've already done like a haul video, so I don't want to upload it too soon. But obviously I need to get it up within good time because it's for a brand. So I'm just trying to like, because I don't know when exactly it's arriving, so I'm just trying to like give it a plan. Okay, it should probably be here in like 3 or 4 days, so I'm thinking next Monday. But then I did a haul like 2 weeks ago. I've been making a plan of like the videos that I want to do because, as I said, I've got a new mirror coming. It's this one. It's the IKEA Hobbit mirror. There's another mirror that I really, really liked, but it was like £200, and it was actually slightly smaller than this IKEA one, which is £90, but I did have to pay a lot for delivery. I had to pay about £40 delivery, and there were no delivery slots local. It's basically, I've been keeping my eye on it for a long time, and like the places that we would probably go pick it up from IKEA would probably be like Birmingham or Milton Keynes, like that kind of thing. But like there was only been one, so there was one in Sheffield, which is a drive, and there was one in like, where was it? I can't remember, but it was a drive away as well. And then there were also no delivery slots to be delivered to us. And then when I finally saw one come available, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to pay it because it's a really good mirror. It's a really good price for its size. And in comparison to this other bigger mirror, which I've seen, I just thought, look, we'll just go for this one because I like it. So that should be coming next Friday. So that's quite exciting. I'm trying to think, do I have anything else coming? I don't think I've ordered anything else. This feels very strange. I also have some other very exciting news which I haven't mentioned to you guys yet, which is so crazy. So on Monday, I actually received an offer from one of the schools that I've applied to. I'm not going to say which one it is yet, but yeah, I'm still waiting to hear back from other places before I make my mind up. Yeah, but I'm really excited because now I know I'm going to drama school in September. So that is really exciting. I got kind of obsessed and started looking at stuff to buy. But, right, so here's my thinking. If I start buying now, I don't have to spend a ton of money in, like, August time, which is my birthday. So, I feel like if I gradually buy things, then it will just make it feel a lot cheaper. So, like, I've seen the bowls and plates that I want to get, and I kind of am tempted to get them because they're on sale. But my mum and dad might think I'm actually a crazy person if I buy them. But surely it's sensible to buy things gradually. I don't know. I'll see what my mum says and see if she thinks I'm an actual weird, crazy person. But yeah, Sammy's come to join me again. He came in this morning and then I started making my bed and he was like, I'm off. I want a comfy blanket. Let me see if I can show you him. Can you see him there? I don't know. I can't see my... Yeah. Sam. Hello, baby. He's looking at me like, are you okay? Anyway, yeah, that's my... I would say that's my update. I have been filming for quite a while though, but yeah, I'm glad that's edited. I want to get some photos, but I don't know if I can be bothered. I need to get more Instagram photos because my Instagram gain has not been good recently. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. Like, I genuinely enjoy uploading on Instagram, but I don't want to upload, like, the same things all of the time. Sorry, I'm just removing my reels from my grid because it kind of ruins the grid. And I didn't know you could do this until the other day. So, yeah, they've been removed. Okay, that makes me feel so much better, and now it looks a lot better. My latest reel did really, really well, so thanks guys for all of that, all of the love on that. Also, my latest 2 videos you guys have seemed to really like, which is so good to see. They've both done quite well. It was my makeup collection and then my Shein haul. Also my vision board vlog did quite well. Also, I made a TikTok account. Go follow me on TikTok. I'm not really a TikToker and I'm not going to be doing like typical TikTok stuff, but it's there. I tried. Like, my video has 17 views. I did that auto sync thing.
So I've just put on these eye masks. They've actually been on for like 20 minutes now. They're still so refreshing. I literally had the worst dark circles of my life. But I just thought I'd show you how much snow is still here. I know I showed you yesterday, but this just shows how cold it is because it's been sunny. Oh my god, sorry, I'm so exposed. But look, I know I literally showed you yesterday, but so much is still here, like on the decking and everything. Obviously, it's literally gone on the paths and stuff, but it's been so sunny, but it's been so freezing. It stayed. Crazy.
I can't breathe without your